Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're working on my E90 BMW. I've already done a video on changing a sticky door handle on your E90, and it got quite a lot of views, and a number of people were concerned with the way I secured it to the door. I'll show you how that's looking. This new door handle has been holding up really well. All's well with it. It's definitely completely secure. There's no play in it at all, and I just did the JB Weld method. So as you can see, it's still looking real good. No issues at all. As you can see, it's looking real good. But there were some people that were concerned with the way I did it, and there were people talking about using cutting nuts, getting it from your local hardware store, etc. And you know, there was mixed results in the comment section of that. Some people liked it, some people actually just melted the plastic, etc. But what I want to show you guys is a new method. FYI, the handle between front and back is exactly the same. So this procedure will apply whether you're working at the back door or the front door. But I actually went the aftermarket route this time. I'm gonna get this product unboxed and we'll talk about it. I bought it on Amazon. So this is what we're working with this time. You can get this on Amazon. Here's the part number. It's the same kind of quality, it looks OEM. But if you notice, you can put screws into the end. And it comes with screws. This should make the job a lot easier actually for most people. There's the outer door handle. So as you can see, definitely gonna be easier to work with. I think it was a bit cheaper as well. I'm gonna put a link in the description as to where you can buy these on Amazon if this works out well. So to start with, we're gonna get set up and pull the actual door panel off the car. First step is gonna be pry this trim off. You wanna kind of wedge the tool here and then pry it. Use your hand to undo the clips. Now you wanna pull here. There's 3 T20 torques. Now you just want to pull the actual door panel forward. So just find a spot. Undo all these lower clips, and then there's clips across the top here. You just want to yank from this side first. Lift up, your door actuator will drop. Now, on this side you just grab the door handle cable and just pull out your power window switch and your speaker wire. And set the door panel aside so we can work on it. As I had shown in my previous video, we need to drill out the actual melted plastic part of the handle. There's 2 right here. I'm using a 3/8 inch drill bit. Now I'm just going to pull the handle through. Place in the aftermarket handle. So now we just use these screws to actually secure it. there you have it, securely mounted. Here's our end result. As you can see, it's looking nice and OEM. Definitely an improvement over what we had, and it was actually way easier to install. And it has a look and feel of an OEM piece. You can get it on Amazon for 40 something. I'll link to it in the description, like I said. And for the people that were nervous with the JB Weld method I showed with the OEM pieces, or weren't comfortable with potentially melting the plastic or using those threading nuts, etc., here's an easy way to go about it. So had I known from the beginning, or I don't even know if these were out back when I bought it, but back when I did the front door, but had I known this was a thing, I definitely would have just went this route and showed you guys how to do it this way. It's just a lot easier, save you guys a lot of time. So hopefully you found this video useful. Subscribe for more content like this, and thanks for watching. Good luck.